plasma energy. Plasma energy is the binary that allows us the doorway to take us from the physical realm into the spiritual realm / quantum realms / astral realms. All right. From that point, understanding those basics, then you add in your mantras. Start with I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. Keep telling yourself that. Keep telling yourself while you're in your meditations, I am the most powerful being in the cosmos. I am the most powerful being in the multiverse. I am the multiverse. Everything exists because of me. Nothing exists without me. I give life to the sun. I give life to the oceans. I give life to the planets. Nothing exists without I. You know, you tell yourself that in your meditations to retain your power. You got to take your power back. You have control over the elements. You have control over nature. You have control over these crackers, man. These oppressors that's trying to take all through meditation, though. But when you don't understand what these fingers represent and how they connect to elements, how each chakra connects to an element as well, you have no fucking clue. This is why they give you 7 days in a week. Why not 6? Why not 5? Why not 4? Why not 9? Why 7? Because 7 represents that 5 plus 2. Solids, liquids, gases, plasma energy. North, east, south, west. Water, fire, earth, air. And then when you add in magic, plasma energy. So a work week it's magic. It's all magic. See what I'm saying? That's why they gave you 7 days. Water, fire, earth, air, plasma energy. Water, fire, earth, air, plasma energy. What's the other two? Higher self, lower self. As above, so below. Satanic realms, nether realms, divine cosmic realms. Remember, good, bad, or higher self, lower self. That's what the two alternates represent. This is why they give you 2 days off on your work week. They make you work 5 days. That's magic. And they give you 2 days off. But those two represent higher self, lower self, duality. And what 2 days do they give you off? Saturday and Sunday. What does Saturday come from? Saturn, which represents what? Set, which represents what? Satan. What is Sunday? It's the high vibration. What's the sun? Come from us. So the sun represents what? Like the gods. Right? You got the gods, you got the fallen angels. Saturday represents the fallen angels. Saturn. Even Christmas was called what? Saturnalia. Sunday represents the day of the gods. So Saturday would be lower self. Sunday would be higher self. Now you got Monday through Friday. Monday would be water. Tuesday would be what? Fire. What's Wednesday? Earth. Or hump day. Right? Where do humps come from? Out the earth. What's another word for humps? Hills. Right? Thursday would be air. Air, right? The air that blows us into the weekend. Right? Thursday, everybody a little airheaded because they so airheaded they waiting to get off work to go get ready for their weekend. Friday, plasma energy. Plasma energy is one of the most powerful energy on the planet in this physical realm. Plasma energy. And how the fuck do you feel on a Friday? Everybody be charged up, ready to enjoy their weekend, right? Because we all know Friday is the most powerful day in a man-made fake week. That's the most popular day is Friday. It's not Saturday or Sunday. And definitely it ain't Monday to Thursday. It's Friday. But this is why. Because they were working light magic against you. So this is why 7 days in a week, that all connects to your phalanges, your meditations, your chakras. It's all interconnected. So to take your power back, you got to understand Mudras, mantras. You understand what I'm saying? We are divine beings, rising in frequency. So this was a deep lesson I had to give you. So now you take this lesson, ain't no reason you shouldn't go deep into your meditations. When you inhaling on your meditations, You hold it for 3 seconds. Count, because we understand the power of the 3, the 6, and the 9. You count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Let all that prana, all that ashe out nice and slow. Because when you inhale, what's the purpose of inhaling? You pulling in the ashe, the life force around you. You hold it. Count to 3. Let it out slowly. And it's a lot harder to meditate with using a mudra than it is just like this. Neutral. When you start using your mudra, you're like, ooh, shit. Shit a little more difficult. But it's more than worth it. That's why when you're using it, you feel discipline throughout your body. These mudras challenge you physically too. See? Look, it's easy standing up. Sit down and try to do it with hold your back straight. If you ain't been doing it for years, you're going to be fucked up. So I advise you to start with your chair, your back against the couch, your back against the wall. That's perfectly fine too. But you want that back straight, the knees folded, and you want that mudra locked in while holding an intent, while saying the mantra. That takes discipline of the mind, body, and soul. That's why it's called a mudra, because you're not just working the soul, you're working the mind and the body just to hold the goddamn posture. You're working all 3. There go that 3 again. And your mantras is your affirmation. So now you understand why the Buddhist monks, they're going to meditative state for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Next thing you know, they ass levitating. But it's the mudra. You want to levitate, you could go into that same posture, focus on the chakra that deals with air. And use that mudra and stay in that meditative state 3 hours. See what happens. But you got to build yourself up to that. You got to build yourself up. You start small. Do a little 3-minute meditation with the mudra, then work your way up the next week to 6, then the next week to 9 minutes, then on up to 19 minutes. You know what I'm saying? 6 or 16 minutes, then 19 minutes. Now 33 minutes. Now 60 minutes. Up and up and up and up. Just like working out at the gym. You ain't going to go up in that motherfucker just, you know what I'm saying? Let me curl 200 pounds. No, you're going to start a little 5s. Do that for a week. Now, if that arm, that muscle get used to that, okay, now I'm at the 10s with the curl. Okay, I'm used to that this week. Now, next week, let's go up to 15. End of the month, I'm at 20. Next month, I'm doing 30. 3 months later, you curling 50. Up and up and up until you know the body has no limit. See niggas getting that curling 200 pounds on one arm. It's just, it's how deep you want to take it. It's the same thing with your meditations. So with magic being a real thing, we remembering now, this is why meditation is so, this is where your power is at. We can't be waiting for nobody to do shit. All the power is in you. Even if you're trying to manifest prosperity. Same thing, prosperity magic. See what I'm saying? You need certain crystals. Get your citrines. You meditate with your citrines. Cleanse your crystals. I'll save that for the lesson coming up on crystals, the introduction to crystals. I'll be talking about every single crystal and what they do. Because, you know, every crystal on the website don't even have a description because, you know, we didn't have a team. The team began put together. So I was just posting all that to the website. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm more focused on the lesson. So a lot of crystals, I ain't never put out a full description. So it get deep when y'all find out each crystal and where it come from and its properties and what it really do. That's going to blow your mind. Wow. See what I'm saying? But when you're doing prosperity magic, same thing. Meditative state, using certain citrus, citrines, pyrites. Peridot is another powerful crystal for prosperity magic. And meditating with them crystals. Getting by a body of water. Putting them crystals in the water while saying your while affirming, and then holding it up in the sun and charging. That's all part of prosperity magic. And the biggest part of prosperity magic is to give. Because the more you do for the planet and the more you do for the universe, the more the universe does for you. Like I said, you want to know why your manifestations ain't working. People be trying to manifest because how can you ask the universe to do something for you, but you're not doing what the universe asking you to do? And the first step to that is walking in your purpose. How the fuck you going to find out your purpose if you don't go within? And how can you properly go within if you don't understand meditation? And how can you properly meditate without understanding the mudras? And how can you properly understand the mudras if you don't understand what the phalanges mean? And how can you understand the phalanges and the mudras if you don't understand the mantras? All that go hand in hand. I am that I am. I am everything and everything is me. We will win this war, and thus it shall be. You see?